How to easily share reports on Slack. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account. To do that, we can either open our account through browser or by simply opening Slack application. Once you're on your account, simply select the channel where you want to share the report. So as an example, I'm going to select this one. And then after that, go on the messaging part and then tap on this plus sign. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here. What we need to do is to tap on this upload from your computer. After that, it will automatically open our desktop file manager. In here, we'll have to select our report. After that, tap on this open option. And as you can see, the report is automatically uploaded here. Before I send my report, I can also add a caption. So as an example, I'm going to type here, update on weekly report. After that, I'll have to tap on this arrow icon to send the report. If I want to share it to team members, all I need to do is to hover my cursor here and then tap on this arrow icon to share the file. So in here, I'll just have to type the account, and then as an example, I'm going to select this one. And then before I send it, I can also add a caption. So as an example, I'm going to type here, "Hi, here's my weekly report." After that, I'll have to tap on this forward option. Another thing that we can do is we can also share the report to another channel. To do that, tap on the search bar and then type hashtag and then select the channel where you want to send it. After that, tap on this forward option. And then as you can see here, the report is automatically shared to that channel. So that's how easy we can share reports on Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!